charts or various steps. So I will show you how can you add a workbook without name by using VBA. So let's move into the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. So I have already opened the window and I have written down the subject add workbook without name. So how a workbook will add, you can see that here the name is test.xlx. So workbook dot add workbooks dot add. So if you run this code, it will add a workbook without name. See, a workbook has been added, which is book 1. If you click again, it will add a workbook which name would be workbook 2. Book 2. So that's it for this video.